Hi, my name is Melissa Godfrey, and I'm going to review an assistive technology tool that I use almost every day in my teaching practice called the snipping tool. The snipping tool is a great way to copy an image quickly. You can copy any image online, it's a screenshot, and you can customize how much of the image you want, and then you can edit that image, and then you can paste it onto any digital platform that you prefer. And it's just super quick, super easy to use, a super great way to get visuals for your students. So this is how you find the snipping tool on Windows. You click on the Windows button at the bottom of your screen. You can search snipping tool. I have it already saved up here. Um, and then this will come up. So if you want to screenshot an image, you just drag and figure out how much of that image you want, and then it'll come up and you can copy it or you can save it or you can edit it. We are actually not going to be using this. I'm going to show you how I would actually make a resource for my students. So I'm going to click no because I don't want to save it, and I'll show you how to get there again. So we are going to be working on writing numbers in kindergarten. So I made this slideshow for my students, but I like to include visuals to help them figure out what the materials are that they need and help them read the different materials. So it's always important to have visuals with writing in kindergarten especially, or for students with disabilities that might need a visual support. So a writing tool, I already Googled writing tool pencil, so you can look what image I want. I might go to images, and then I'm going to get my snipping tool out, and I'm going to snip a pencil. So maybe I'll snip this one, so I'm going to drag down, go over, and that's the image I want. I'm going to go to copy, or you can go over here and hit copy. I'm going to go back to my slideshow and then boom, paste. There we go. So there's a writing tool. And if you want to edit, you can edit it. You can make it as big or small as you want. I think this is a good size. I also need a piece of paper, so I might type in paper, my images, or in my Google browser. And then I'll get my snipping tool ready. I'm going to click new and I can drag down. There we go. And then I can go to edit copy or just click copy. And I'm going to paste it right here. Super easy. Paper. And then your brain. So what the students will need is a writing tool, a piece of paper, and your brain. So your kid's thinking. So I'm going to get my snipping tool ready again. Go to new. And then here's a kid thinking very hard. I'm going to copy it. Go back to my lesson and paste, and it's just super easy. You can also save the image to your desktop, but I love it. I love how quick it pastes, and you don't have to worry about any image coming back a way that you didn't really want it. It looks exactly how it looks on the screen. All right, thanks for watching my video.